Hi, I'm Martin from Ashby's Cleaning Equipment, and in this video I'll be showing you our Enforcer carpet and upholstery cleaning machine. A vacuum system provides suction, recovering soilage from the item you're cleaning. This model is fitted with the most powerful twin vacuum system available for our carpet cleaning machines, which will run from just one power lead, with the strength to operate up to 200 foot or 61 metres of vacuum hose. Each vacuum motor has fully replaceable carbon vac motor brushes and an air seal. The Enforcer also benefits from having large 2-inch internal vacuum ducting throughout to maximise the vacuum efficiency. But vacuum's only half the story. You'll need a powerful water pump to inject the cleaning solution and blast away dirt. We've fitted a non-maintenance induction motor pump system, plus for maximum chemical resistance and lifespan, it's fitted with an EnduraGuard coated pump head. We offer higher pump pressures, but recommend the 400 psi system. It's very unlikely you would ever clean a carpet at higher than 400 psi, so the extra weight and bulk of a higher pressure pump is unnecessary. With this 400 psi pump system, you can operate up to 400 foot or 122 metres of solution hose. Some portables require 2 power leads just to run their pump and vacuum system. This means if you haven't got access to 2 plug sockets, you can't use your machine. This Enforcer is different. It's wired to run its pump and vacuum system from just 1 power lead, allowing you to use your machine when you only have access to 1 plug socket, for example in common part areas. This means we can install a convenient built-in immersion heater option operating from a 2nd power lead, actually inside the clean water tank of this Enforcer. Now, as you know from personal experience, nothing makes your cleaning more effective than adding heat. So I would always recommend adding the built-in immersion tank heater system. Even if you're thinking of adding the V2 Steammate or any inline heater, if you're forced to use stone cold water, maybe from an outside tap, a built-in immersion heater system allows your inline heater to perform at its optimum, so you can work faster and more effectively with full pressure. All machines in this class throughout the industry are going to be heavy. But the difference with the Enforcer is how it handles its weight. The Enforcer's got a tilt and slide easy vehicle loading system. There's no need to lift. Use the cable wraps with plug docking to safely store your electrical leads, then position the pivot point against your vehicle. For your safety, don't lift using the front casters. There's a conveniently positioned double grab handle. Use this to pivot the Enforcer into the vehicle. The dump valve is where the dirty water comes out, and this is front mounted to keep it clear and prevent damage whilst loading or unloading. Finally, roll the Enforcer into the vehicle using top mounted loading wheels, double roller bars and rear wheels. The casing is showerproof, so you can operate from outside a building whatever the weather. And its locking front casters allow you to secure the Enforcer if you're leaving it on a sloped path or driveway. The Enforcer can be left in the van or even taken inside if for security or warmth reasons your customer would prefer that their door is kept closed. And there's even a sledge runner designed to the base, making it easy to pivot over thresholds. The Enforcer gives you all the benefits of a truck mount, but with much lower initial outlay, running and servicing costs, plus the benefit of total job access. With an impressive 52 litre solution tank, the Enforcer has plenty of water capacity. Filling is easy, with extra large access, a funnel design, and all safely positioned clear of the machine switch panel. The Enforcer's got a high strength 40 litre recovery tank for extended working time. That's double the size of some other machines in its class, and these are fully usable capacities, not just volumetric. The switch panel is easily accessible, top mounted, and like the controls, connectors and even the dump valve when its spout's removed, everything is recessed and therefore protected from damage during transportation. Some machines trap heat generated inside their electronic compartment to try to warm up their cleaning solution. Unfortunately, to achieve maximum life and efficiency from all electronic components, it is essential to keep them cool and dry, especially the vacuum motors. The Enforcer is not only gutted to protect against water ingress, but is well vented and fan cooled to keep all electronic components at their lowest working temperature, meaning they last longer. Most operators are going to be using a maximum of 75 foot of hose with their Enforcer. But let's see how it copes cleaning a grubby carpet with 100 foot of hose. I've given my carpet a thorough dry vacuum to remove dry soilage and pet hair, etc. Pre-sprayed the carpet with pre-spotting detergent. Filled my enforcer with cleaning solution. There's defoamer in my recovery tank. My hoses and wand are connected. I've switched on my machine and the overshoes are on. I'm ready to clean. This is a 2-jet wand for carpet cleaning, and with our 400 psi pump system, for best results and the fastest clean, I would always use 400 psi of pump pressure. We jet our wands to suit your chosen pump system, so you'll always have the correct flow rate of water out of your wand at maximum pressure. Squeezing the trigger on the wand releases the cleaning solution. The wand has a 12-inch wide vacuum slot to recover the cleaning solution and remove soilage. It's made from polished stainless steel, which has a very low frictional quality, allowing you to move the wand easily over the carpet whilst providing the best vacuum contact. In carpet and upholstery cleaning, it's all about getting things dry as quickly as possible. With your enforcer, this wand will help you produce the lowest possible drying times. To clean upholstery, stairs and carpet edges, we use a hand tool. If you haven't got one already, you'll need to select one from our hand tools section under the accessories and parts menu of our website. Your pressure gauge displays the working pressure. I'd usually clean upholstery at about 100 to 200 psi. To adjust your pressure, connect your hand tool, turn on the pump and adjust the flow control. Soilage is sucked from the carpet during the extraction cleaning process and ends up in your recovery tank. For maximum lifespan and to help protect your vacuum motors against water ingress, this tank is fitted with our unique baffle system. When the tank is full, a high-level shutoff will activate and it's time to empty your enforcer via the front-mounted dump valve into your dirty water bucket. So if you're looking for a carpet cleaning machine that's shower-proof so it can be left outside, powerful enough to operate multiple hose lengths, can be used from your van or taken indoors, can have a 3 kilowatt heater system built inside and still only needs 2 power leads, I believe it doesn't get any better than this 400 psi enforcer. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'll leave you with some quotes that experienced enforcer owners have left in our review section. And if you'd like to visit us and try the enforcer for yourself, please give us a call. Our contact details are at the bottom of your screen.